All right, all right. Appreciate y'all for joining the play again. We right back at it. Hope y'all having a wonderful day. I saw some. When I see something, gotta go on the shit with y'all. I and Willie, we appreciate y'all for joining me. Click the like button, subscribe button, and if you'd like to see what we call the event video, please go around to the Patreon. The Patreon. The link is down there in the description. So as we all know, the rapper Young Dolph has left Earth, as we say around here in these streets. Sometimes you can have people, the people will speak out, fans, people in the communities where things transpire at, and sometimes we be talking and we mean good. I want to say that we mean good, but sometimes we can misspeak, or it's a shame that people can talk and we can kind of understand. Hey, no matter what you say, we still can understand what you're trying to say. But when you just get some shit wrong, you just need to be corrected. Like, it should be immediately, but we let some things slide. Let me go on the play it. Here you go.
The tragic news, how do you feel?
I'm hurt, I'm sad, I don't want to live in this anymore. I actually live around this neighborhood. So this is very common to me. When whoever in Tennessee passed that gun law to let everybody carry a pistol, if you, I'm pretty sure you cover murders every single solitary night. Am I lying? You do, right? Every day. Okay, so who passed that law? To let these kids come around and carry guns every day, open.
And just to know, this superstar.
This superstar that helped millions of people, that gave millions of dollars, that helped us, that can come to Memphis on airways in his car and buy a pack of cookies without being shot and killed to death. And this is happening to regular people, let alone, even though he's a regular person, even though he's a mega superstar. So how does that make the regular citizens feel? We have no protection, not from the police. I'm sorry, I know this is the news or whatever, but we don't have no protection from them because they pull us over for drive-out tags. You know, it's the law now that African Americans can carry guns, and they made that law so that we can kill each other. That's what it's population control.
What do you think this is going to grow into, right?
This is going to grow into something even more. This is not the end.
Wow.
This is not the end.
Wow.
This is going to cause a slew of retaliations, because that was for nothing. That's a father, that's a brother, that's a son, that's a nephew. Other than being a superstar, that's somebody's child right there. That's somebody's nephew right there. That's somebody's.
That's right.
How does that?
All right. Yeah, you heard what she said. Here we got to run it back. you know how it go. Again. Sometimes we misspeak. When our hearts is hurting and stuff, and people just left Earth by mistake on purpose, as if we don't know. Everybody on Earth, in case y'all don't know, everybody on Earth gonna leave it, bitch. Just saying. Here we go.
How do you feel?
I'm hurt, I'm sad, I don't want to live in Memphis anymore.
Okay, I got to stop you right there. She hurt, she sad, she don't want to live in Memphis anymore due to Young Dolph dying.
I actually live around this neighborhood.
You live here?
So this is very common to me.
Thank you. Baby, you don't want to live in a neighborhood because a rapper done got killed at a cook shop. But you live in that neighborhood and this type of situation is common to you, meaning that you have saw this thing multiple times. Here you go.
When whoever in Tennessee passed that gun law to let everybody carry a pistol, I'm pretty sure you cover murders every.
We gon' stop it right there, baby. Whoever passed the gun law is not for everybody, baby. And this is what be sad is, but you can kind of tell how people vote. You can kind of tell what side people be on. She say when they pass the laws to carry the guns, that's a problem for the people. I back it up.
You cover murders every single solitary night. If you, I'm pretty sure you cover Tennessee passed that gun law to let everybody. It's very common to me when whoever in Tennessee passed that gun law to let everybody carry a pistol. If you, I'm pretty sure you cover.
To let everybody carry a pistol, baby, there is no law on earth that legally allows everybody. Well, but there's no law on earth that legally let everybody in that state carry a firearm. But go ahead.
Cover murders every single solitary night. Am I lying? You do.
Is she lying? That man do not cover murders every single night. But we understand what a person is saying. But she put him on blast right there. And listen. And shout out to the reporter because he dogging you. So he kind of know how to deal with the situation because you don't want to amp her up. You kind of want to agree to get the shit over with just to do your goddamn job, because if she get amped up, the shit gonna go south. I'm trying to tell you something. So he gonna lie like he did.
Right. Every day. Okay.
He did not have to say I do. He didn't have to say I cover them every night, because it ain't a journalist on the planet that covers murders or homicides every night. Nope, don't happen. You got to have a day off. But go ahead.
So who has that law to let these kids come around and carry guns every day?
They did not pass a law to let these kids carry a gun around every day, baby. That's not what's in the law, is all I'm trying to point out. Again, sometimes we misspeak, but this is a complete lie.
Open.
And just an open carry law, if I'm not mistaken. It's an open carry law, or it's just you can be legal to carry your firearms. Be legal to carry your firearms. Not everybody.
To know this superstar.
This superstar that helped millions of people, that gave millions of dollars, that helped us, that can come to Memphis on airways in his car and buy a pack of cookies without being shot and killed to death.
So is it just because people pass out the money? People we so-called give back that we shouldn't die? I'm not saying that a player should have died, but so we should, like Martin Luther King died and shit. He gave little words and shit. A whole bunch of people died for so-called giving back to their community or helping people. And it's, you just came by cookies and shit. But there's people in your own community who just don't be doing shit and be getting killed. Like literally can be standing on the corner, driving in their car, in the house with their family, with their children, at the grocery store, kids just getting shot, just playing, just pulling something out.
And this is happening to regular people, even though he's a regular person.
We can't say that regular people is regular and the superstar we speaking about who done gave millions and done for millions of people, we can't label him as regular also. That ain't how it work, baby.
No, he's a mega superstar.
So you can't be regular as a mega superstar. Do you know Michael Jackson, people like Prince and shit, like they couldn't go like to Walmart and shit? They couldn't be out and about because they're not regular people. People like Dolph was not regular.
So how does that make the regular citizens feel? We have no protection, not from the police.
What do you mean protection from the people? I don't know why we act like we don't know who doing the killing. We don't know what people is doing the killing. We gonna act that way. What protect the police cannot protect you from being shot. Can we put that the police cannot protect you from being shot when somebody rolling up on you to shoot you. Police can't be everywhere. Police can't be in your own home. They can't do that. They can't protect you from being shot unless they are right there preventing you or being able to prevent you from being shot.
I'm sorry, I know this.
But I understand what she's saying, but I don't. But go ahead, baby.
This is the news or whatever, but we don't have no protection from them because they pull us over for drive-out tags.
So now it's no protection from the police because they pull y'all over from drive-out tag. I have no idea what that is, but I guess that's something that lawfully they can pull you over for. I'm not sure. Somebody please correct me down in the comment section. Damn.
You know, it's the law now that African Americans can carry guns, and you know they made that law so that we can kill each other.
No, I don't know a legislation on earth that say that. But then I see the argument. Willie, of course they're not gonna put it in to say it. They just did that to let us know that we can just kill each other. But what you don't understand, before the laws were passed, they was killing each other. They was walking around with guns, killing each other before the laws. So now they put the laws in. Now we supposed to start killing each other. And the law is for about people who is legal. Go ahead.
That's what it's population control.
It ain't not, listen, it's not population control if your own people ain't killing you by passing the gun law. Can't control the population if the population is not killing the population. Everybody could have a gun. Everybody on earth could have a gun. Unless you use that goddamn gun, you can't decline the population. Yeah, big word.
What do you think this is going to grow into right now?
This is going to grow into something even more. This is not the end.
Oh, I can believe that. Now I'm with you right there, because one thing about it, when regular people get shot in the communities and shit, it don't never be over. So I hope we don't think it's gonna be over because he got shot in the community.
Wow.
This is not the end.
Wow.
This is gonna.
Shout out to the cameraman. Well, the the reporter for, being hurt. We don't care. We play too goddamn much. Listen, if he does murders, homicides every day, like he lied and said, yeah, I do, you shouldn't be the least bit hurt that another darker hue or another lighter hue, another human being in your city done got killed.
It's going to cause a slew of retaliations because that was for nothing.
But when we say that things happen for nothing, do we always know that they happen for nothing? Because of what I keep hearing, that it's things on record, music, rapping, they be saying stuff. Rappers be saying stuff to one another. In interviews and social media, they be saying shit to one another. People be having beef and shit. So can we really say that it's about nothing? And a lot of our in darker hue folk mind, you just can't say some shit and walk the fuck off. In darker hue mind, when you slick rap and all that fly shit right there, you liable to get shot. I don't think any other community, because you done said some fly shit, that you getting shot as much. Well, no one does it as much, but go ahead. Because it does happen in other communities, but not like that one.
That's a father, that's a brother, that's a son, that's a nephew. Other than being a superstar, that's somebody's child right there. That's somebody's nephew right there.
That's right. And he had children, and he had a la. I'm not sure if it was wife, did this and this, but sometimes, y'all, when we get a chance to be on the news and speak, let's try best to not misspeak. Well, lie. let's try not to lie. Stick to what it is. You know what I'm saying? Don't add that shit. Like somebody passed a law to have darker hue people carry around guns every day for everybody to carry around guns, and so we can kill ourselves, so we can like get the numbers down. I don't think the law. I don't think there's a law on earth. Nope. That's what's up. Listen, please remember, go around to the WillieWilliamsShow.com. Y'all check out a few things. If you'd like to see what we call the event video, please go around to the Patreon, The Willie Williams Show. All links is down in the description. Subscribe and tell somebody else to subscribe to a player. Just we got to be careful with speaking sometimes. Appreciate y'all for rocking them out.